back, guys, to
Our life.
So real quick, we are doing
You know what we do it. It takes too long. Intros or everyone gets the intro anyways. Okay, basically we're doing the makeup challenge. I just put a lot of stuff in here. Omar should be good at this because he goes with me
Don't
every single
freaking
time.
hype me up like that, girl.
You should be good at this. Like I'm expecting
don't
you to do really
care.
good, and he needs to do good because he knows that I have to go to school in like an hour and a half. Do a good
It's
job.
not gonna be a good job. I'm not the best with my hands.
I just put.
I'm very.
Actually, he's really not
Nope.
that good with his hands.
Not at
anyway.
all. That sounds weird. Oh my gosh.
No, my contact! My contact was coming out. Anyways. Alright, well, let's get into the video.
Here's the box of stuff I have, and then today we're using the Morphe palette. All right, so excuse me, miss.
And I can't help him. I know that's what I was thinking. I can't help him whatsoever.
All right, so we're gonna start off with this little guy here. I'm kidding, we're not doing that. All right.
Okay.
Ooh, primer. Yeah.
Should I put my hair back?
Yes, please. I know.
No, I just go like
all
this.
my customers usually have their hair back nice and dry.
I have so much acne. I'm so sorry.
Okay, we are going to start off with what is it called? Hydro Blur primer.
Not sponsored.
Not sponsored there. Thank you very much, Hydro Blur. Oh shoot, we got the little sponge. This is my favorite little thing. So what we're gonna start off with. I'm very confused here. We'll just put a little bit of. Ew. Are you supposed to shake this stuff? It's like, ooh, it sets out very nicely on the skin there. It's supposed to keep your skin nice and clean.
It smells so good.
Oh yes, it does. It smells like lotion. Give it. So get it everywhere. We're gonna put a little bit of makeup here, a little bit of makeup there. It's a clean canvas.
Wow.
Yes. Okay. So primer's done. Next thing we gotta do setting spray because I just set the I'm just kidding. I'm not that. I'm not that rookie.
No, he for real actually knows a lot about makeup because
I said quit hyping me
No,
up like
because I
that.
made him learn a lot. And he sees me do my makeup when I do it. Yeah.
Do you want to do foundation?
This is your look.
Oh, this is my
You're
look?
the artist
Okay.
here.
Okay, we're gonna then go on with Naked Skin Urban Decay here. That's the one there. It's a concealer. Okay, we're gonna go on the under eye here. Actually, that's a lot. A little bit over here. Get some from this side and put it over here. Because I did put a lot on that side. So we'll put a little bit on the nose here. See, I know a little bit. A little bit on the chin. And like 3 streaks on the forehead. Because why not? Here. Hey, here we go. Now we go with the little sponge here, my favorite little tool. And we just kind of blend. Blending. Alright, that's good enough for the concealer. So concealer's all set in stone. So I always get confused.
I can't help you.
On whether to do eyebrows first and then eyeshadow. Yes, I love the Brow Wiz. This is my favorite product from Anastasia. I'm gonna use the Anastasia Brow Wiz. I want to make sure everything is straight. Again, I'm using a little tip there. It's kind of like a little marker. Nice and dark is what they're looking like. Guys, don't judge me. Look at me. I did better on this side, bro. Okay. So that's that one, Brow Wiz. Very nice. Okay. Well, obviously you're gonna do eyeshadow. Let me tell you guys, I get really confused on the brushes. I know the big ones are for your face, cheeks, all that stuff. So this is the one I need. The Real Techniques brush here. It has a little grip is what I really love about it. This little grip here. That's the one. That's that one. Comes with all these colors. Very nice. Very sweet. We're going for a very natural look. Here we go. Oh, that is clean.
I like the tap.
Yeah, they gotta do the tap. I have realized that. So we're gonna do a little ombre look from light to dark. Take off the excess here. Okay, so I just did this one. Now I'm about to do this one.
Oh, It's, if anyone's wondering, 350S.
Oh, that's the palette. Oh, yeah, I didn't know that. Yeah, 350S. Tap. Now, what we do... Did I do one more color? Alright, fine. We're doing one more color, guys. It looks horrible. Close your eyes. That's the eyeshadow done for now. Horrible.
Okay, guys, we're gonna use eyeshadow for contour because I can't find my contour stuff. So this will be interesting. And I guess we're gonna use it for highlighter too because I can't find that either.
Oh my. Alright, contour. So I just gotta find something similar to your...
Are you doing highlight or contour?
I want a contour.
Okay.
I've never done highlight. That I haven't. Nor have I seen her do it. So I don't know. She's telling me to highlight. As if I do it. So now we're gonna use the Better Than Sex mascara. I don't like doing this because I'm scared that I'm gonna poke her eye out. Alrighty. I don't know how to do this. Open your eyes. I don't know how to do this.
You can do this.
I really don't.
This is so scary.
It shows I don't know how to do this. Wow. Wow. Oh, wow. Okay. Well, we're gonna use, I forgot what this is. Kat Von D. Is this? Yes, Kat Von D. Very nice color, very clean. Okay, beautiful. Wow, it doesn't look horrible. I could obviously clean it up a bit, but I don't know how.
Are you done? Should I look in it now?
Okay, I'm done. This is all I know how to do.
All right.
You want to look at it?
You didn't contour. Okay.
Ready?
Ready?
Here we go. So, here's the look.
Drum roll.
Here we go. It doesn't look horrible.
What? Omar.
Yeah, I messed up.
Oh my
I didn't know how to fix it. I didn't know how to fix it.
Oh my, that's scary, Omar. I mean, I like it if it was like this.
Right. Okay.
That's nice.
Let me give you guys a closer look.
The eyeshadow would look good if it was something like this.
If it went.
Like just like this. But this.
Yeah, the black. Yeah.
The lipstick is
It could have been better.
doable.
Yeah, it's not bad.
The eyebrows are not that bad. They're a lot darker than what I usually go for.
Right. See, I realized that. But they match your hair.
The concealer, you put the concealer all over my face. Concealer is typically lighter, just like a little bit lighter.
See, I did use concealer as foundation.
Yeah, you did. But it doesn't look that bad.
See, that's why I said it doesn't look.
Yeah, I mean, also, you kind of cheated out. You didn't do eyeliner. I wanted to see how you do eyeliner.
Oh, heck no.
If I had to give this look a rating.
Yeah, 1 to 10. 1 to 10.
1 to 10. 6.5.
Wow, out of 10?
A 6.5, yeah.
Okay, I'll take that.
All right, cool.
6.5 out of 10. Not bad. I mean, I'll take it for my very first time actually doing a whole look.
Yeah, and another thing too is like, I know a lot of people are like, oh, they can even bake or contour, eyelashes, eyeliner, whatever, all that stuff. But honestly, that's kind of on me because I'm the one who gave them all the materials. And I didn't
set me up for failure, basically.
I did not, because it would have looked 10 times worse if I gave you all that.
Honestly, yeah, the eyeliner would have been something super sketch. I wouldn't know how to fix it. Baking, I don't even know what the first step to baking is. Hope you guys enjoyed. Really appreciate you guys coming back and showing us continuous support. But go ahead, check out the rest of our videos in our channel. Leave a like for this video. Go ahead and subscribe if you're new.
Yeah, thank you for watching.
And I think that will do it. We'll see you next time. Bam!